Sri Satya Sai Baba, a humanitarian to the world, a philanthropist to agnostics, a spiritual guru to millions, lived a life full of love and service. Love and service were the two tools of transformation Baba employed to bring about individual and collective transformation, which spelled the essence of all religions and spirituality in easy and palatable doses. There is only one religion, the religion of love, he would say, and only one caste, the caste of humanity. Baba felt that access to good food, reliable healthcare, and clean water were essential to living and should thus be provided free of cost. Therefore, he set up temples of healing, learning, and executed mammoth drinking water projects, the likes of which even governments hadn't ever. While these were mere expressions of the love he had for humanity, he was, truly speaking, also setting up models worthy of emulation. Baba's mission to foster mankind, lead people onto a path of goodness, and to remove sufferings of the underprivileged has inspired and drawn countless individuals to the path of selfless service. His legacy of love is now being taken forward by those who have dedicated their lives to live his message even after he shed his mortal frame in the year 2011. The result? Specialty hospitals for child heart care, daily nutrition programs for children across the nation, mother and child health programs, and institutions offering top quality, human values-based integral education to the rural impoverished, all offering services free of cost, have seen a generous and much-needed proliferation throughout the country. What's more, there's been a conscious rekindling of the Sanatana and Vedic Samskritis too, to bring about a mindful revival of the ancient Indian culture. Baba believed that education is fundamental to a healthy nation and a sustainable world. Inspired by his philosophy of integral education, education that caters to the body, mind, and spirit to develop well-rounded individuals who grow up to be assets to the society, country, and world at large, the Sri Satya Sai University for Human Excellence was set up in 2018. A modern-day Gurukula, the system of learning here is predicated on Baba's 3H formula, where the head thinks, the heart critically examines it, and the hands carry out the decision. The students here are trained to become teachers and dedicated workers who will be committed to serving their fellow beings through furthering the cause of values-based education. And what is human excellence? It is nothing but divinity, which is characterized by selfless love and service. In the words of Baba, human excellence is total selflessness. To help reach Baba's human values-based education to the world and to resuscitate the humanness of humanity, the Satya Sai Lokaseva group of institutions is launching a unique, first-of-its-kind Institute of Human Values, which will offer courses totally free of any charges. The vision of the Institute is to make humans, and more importantly, better humans, in their personal and professional spheres by making them more sensitive towards society's needs and exploring ways of their contribution to society in a meaningful and selfless manner, thereby creating a sense of global citizenship and responsibility. With a presence in countries such as Argentina, USA, Italy, Turkey, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, Australia, and Fiji, the Institute of Human Values will have a global footprint with a strong spiritual core. Learning from the heart is spiritual awakening, Baba would say. The Institute of Human Values is the first step to help lead the world into the beautiful awareness of its heart, a heart that operates from the universal human values of Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, and Ahimsa.